Our objective today is pretty much just to go get some seat time here at Red Hills. Also, almost a hit 700 hours on this bike. I don't think we'll hit it today, but maybe the next ride. Few hours of seat time is in and got super close to hitting 700 hours on the bike, but I'm gonna wrap it up for today. And also check out this sweet monsoon storm behind me. Like I said, it's been raining a lot around the mountain edges, just not so much here, but it's still the beginning, sort of the beginning of monsoon season, so maybe we'll get some rain. I don't know, it'd be cool if we did.